Hello and welcome to my channel, and today I've got for you a Home Bargains haul. Not been in Home Bargains for months, so I spent quite a bit of time mooching about. I only went in for one thing. This is what they say, isn't it? You go in for one thing, come out with, well, in my case, £80 later. I've got some cleaning bits, some makeup, some food. So I won't show you. I don't know whether I've used it for the thumbnail or I'll pop it in now. Picture of everything. I won't go through all the food I bought because I do find some of the food stuff a bit dull. But let's start with some beauty items. Got some more of these, or hair items should I say. So this is the TG or Tiggy, I never know how you pronounce it, Bedhead Dumb Blonde Reconstructor, which is the equivalent to a conditioner, and then the shampoo, and this is for chemically treated hair, so dyed hair. Love this stuff. I stopped using it a while back and I noticed my hair dye wasn't as lasting as long, and one of my friends said to me, have you changed your shampoo? And I said yes. So I've gone back to my original and it seems to be working better. These smell absolutely divine. £7.49 each. So a while back I swapped over from shower gel, shower mousses, foam mousses, all that sort of stuff. And I have to say, since then I've not had any problems. Down below, the perfumed products don't agree with me. So I moved over to soap, and Dove is my favourite. And they used to sell some lovely different fragrances. But recently, I can't find them anywhere. I can only find the original and the pink. Home Bargains had a new one, a little bit more expensive than the others. So this is the Dove Replenishing Moisturising Cream, and this is dragon fruit and coconut cream scent. Yeah, not sure what dragon fruit smells like, but I'm sure it will be nice. In fact, let's get it out and have a little sniff because I'm intrigued. I nearly bought more than 2 bars and I thought, oh, it's £1.79 for 2. And I thought, don't get any more in case you don't like it. And then I thought, if I really like it and I go back and I haven't got any again, I'll be really annoyed. But hey ho. Oh, very pink. Actually, it's like a lilac-y colour. Yeah, that smells nice. So Dove has quite a distinctive smell, and that's a little bit more fruity, a bit fresher. So yeah, hopefully that'll be nice. So it's a 3-in-1 for face, body and hands, cleanses, moisturises and nourishes. I use Dove soap on my face and I have to say, it doesn't dry it out. Got some of this for my mum. I use this, rave about it all the time. I normally have it in the white. It's the Pure BB Cream Blemish Balm. So it's a BB cream, so it's sort of like a quite sheer foundation, but it's very buildable coverage. It's only £1.99 in my store. I know a lot of you have said your stores have really increased the price. Comes in medium and light, and if either of those aren't the right shade, you can mix a bit, but it's really nice, goes on really, really well. It's a lovely product for your face. Gonna do a few cleaning items next. Some new wipes. Got these Power Action leather wipes, extra large. The ones I've used previously, so we've got leather settees, and the ones I've had before, they're always really small and you end up using almost a packet on a whole sofa, or a whole packet on a sofa. But these are large, extra large even, so you get 25 in there. They were 89p. Prevents cracks and nourishes. I don't use these all the time, but for occasional wipes on the sofa, especially now, we've always had dogs, now we've got cats. It's just nice to give them a bit of a clean. Don't ever flush those down the loo though. And then they did them in floor wipes, but I've got plenty of those, and bathroom wipes. So again, extra large, same price, tough on lime scale and watermarks. So I bought myself some latex gloves. And I do quite like wipes. I know it's quite an expensive way to clean, but I don't know, I just find because they're nice and wet, they really get in all the cracks, and you can give things a good clean. Talking of loos, got some more of these refills, the Duck Fresh Brush refills. How many did I get in here? 12. I got 2 packs of these. They only had 2 packs left. Not everywhere sells these, so I thought I'm going to get a couple of packs. They were £2.50 a pack, and we've got the actual main duck cleaning head in 1, 2, 3 toilets, so I get through these quite a bit, but they're lovely because you can clean and then you just press the little end off and it goes into the toilet and you just flush it away. I did a video on these years ago and it's done really, really well. So if you're intrigued and you want a hygienic cleaning toilet system, this is your thing. So a little while ago, I purchased the Violida mop 1-2 Spray Max. You might have seen this in another video actually. It's one of those press and spray jobbies, which it says you can use with water. But I'm just a little bit nervous of that. So the Pink Stuff brought out a couple of new products. Probably been out for quite a while, but like I say, I've not been in Home Bargains, so I've not seen them. Anyway, they do a floor cleaner, but this one, probably just a rip-off. Miracle Floor Cleaner Spray, Squirt and Mop. No water required. Quick dry formula. I'm presuming that's something similar to a disinfectant that's just watered down and you just pop in your mop or whatever you're going to use. So I love the smell of the Pink Stuff. I'm hoping this smells the same. So this was £1.50. Oh yes. If you've never tried Pink Stuff, it's got a lovely, like a rhubarby smell I suppose, but quite citrusy. It's really nice. So I'm going to do a short using that mop. And then this, let's see if it's any good. And then they've bought this out. Do you know, when I got to the till, I thought, Belinda, why are you even buying that? Because it wasn't cheap. It was £2.59. The normal Pink Stuff is only £1.99. You get a lot more in there. But it's the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste in a squeezable tube. So I think you get a lot more control over where you want to put it. So I suppose if you've got some little nooks and crannies around the shower or near your... where might you use it? Near your sink or something like that. You can just get a bit more precise. So it's easy to rinse and wipe away. Multi-purpose cleaning power. It's like a stain thing. But yeah, got sucked in by that one. And then I got some more of the HG product. I didn't know. I'm really annoyed with myself. I used up the other HG product and threw it away. And I've had the grout spray and the mould spray, and I can't remember which was the best. So I thought I'll get the mould spray because that will do the grout as well. And I reckon they have made this a smaller bottle. It's only 380ml and it was £3.50, which is a bit on the pricey side for Home Bargains. But it's absolutely brilliant stuff. This HG brand, they used to, or they still do sell it in B&Q. And then Home Bargains, they've started stocking it and do loads of different products in it. It's more expensive than the majority of products, but it's really, really good. So yeah, that's a recommendation from me. Right, I'm going to do a couple of food items and then I've got some beauty items, some more beauty items at the end. So please stay tuned for those. If you've never tried these before, they are delicious. They are from Go Ahead, which means that's a brand that does slightly lower calorie stuff. But myself and my husband absolutely love these. So they're little biscuits full of like fruit and you get 3 per pack. And each pack of 3 is 159 calories. So they're about 53 calories per slice, or 54, that one said. So I've gone for raspberry. And then this flavour I have never ever seen before, banana. And I think my husband will like those. They are banana and sultana. There you go, biscuit rhyme. 89p each. These are lovely. Quite a new thing for Cadbury, the Brunch Light Bars. These are in golden honey and 93 calories. You get 4 in there for 99p. They're a nice little snack. So Home Bargains is I think it's one of the cheapest places for toothpaste. This is the Arm and Hammer Extra White, £1.99. Got some more Go Ahead stuff. These are fruit and oat bakes, and these are apple, and these each bake contains, so you get like one long one, 128 calories, 99p. They're really tasty. So these next ones are from Dolmio, and I've not seen them before. I'm sure they're probably in mainstream supermarkets, but I've never seen them. I've put a bit of podge on, put a few pounds on. I'm trying to calorie control a little bit, and I thought these would be ideal lunches. Not the healthiest of snacks, but for £2.49 each, I thought these look rather delightful. So I got 3 different flavours. So the Dolmio Classics, that one is the Rigatoni Bolognese, 227 calories. I'm not going to try and pronounce that tortellini. Pro bit at the top. But that one is 235. And then this one, it's got loads of protein in it. What an absolute marketing ploy that one is. This is 232. And that one is meatballs fusilli. So they're all like a pasta with like an Italian sort of flavouring. Yeah, $2.49 each for those, which is quite expensive. But I suppose for a lunch, it's not that bad, is it? A couple of clothing garments next for when we go walking. Do you know, I've got loads of scarves, but they're massive and really bulky. And we went the other day and had a very cold neck. So I saw this and I thought I'm going to get it. So this was only £2. It's like a neck warmer. Longer bit at the back, which I presume goes down the back. It's got a toggle on it so you can pull it tighter. It is the 3M Thinsulate insulation. Got a fleecy inside. £2, did I say? Yes. Yeah, so for £2 I thought that was great. You know, like now, I am a bit cold on the neck. Just pull it on and just sit and keep warm. Some PJs next. I normally try and get the kids' ones in Home Bargains if I can, but they didn't have any in the larger sizes, so I had to venture into the adults area. Poor me. Look at these, £8. So they often have seasonal pyjamas like Easter, Valentine's, Christmas, that sort of thing, but these are in the main range. They're a t-shirt and long bottoms. I got them in an 8 to 10. Feel lovely. And I'm hoping the neckline is quite high. I do prefer a higher neckline. So the bottoms, I do prefer a cuff bottom, but they're not. They're a wide leg. So I'm hoping they look okay, but for £8, I thought they were a real bargain. Yeah, there's the back of them. And then finally, two more beauty bits. I didn't need this, but I saw this brand, Jekka Black. I thought that sort of grabbed my attention. I thought, what is it? I'm going to get it. Anyway, it's a Brow Seal Brow Gel. It was $1.99. It should have been £15, or the RRP is £15. So I think it's just a brow setting gel. Let's have a quick look. So I use brow setting gels every day. So this certainly won't be wasted. Nice bit of packaging. Not going to put it on now, obviously, because I've already got some on. Yeah, it is. It's just clear gel that hopefully will keep the brows in place. It's quite a big, thin brush. No, not normally as big as that. But I thought that was an absolute bargain for $1.99. And then finally this one. Not sure if this is going to be any good. So this is the Oh My Beauty Miracle Gloss. It's one of those lip stains that you put on, turns blue, and when you take it off, or purple, it goes into a different colour. And they only had this one colour, Blushed Rose, 99p. Really hope this works. Is this going to take ages? Let me just read the instructions to you. Apply across the lips, spread on 2 to 3 layers. Oh, I didn't realise that. So the lips are completely covered. The blush purple gloss is not the final shade, thankfully. For soft colour, leave the mask to set on lips for 10 to 15 seconds. For a bolder colour, 30 to 45 seconds. Starting from either corner of the mouth, wipe or peel away the lip gloss to reveal the colour underneath. Not going to show you that right now. I may have done a little short on that, or a film, and I'll pop it in if I have. If not, I'll just put a little comment in to let you know if it's any good. But I don't know what the main brand is of this, but I know it's a lot more expensive than 99p, that's for sure. Just want to put a quick shout out to Debs, who won I ran a competition, can't remember if it was the end of last year or early this year, to win some, like a designer dupe perfume. And being Mrs. Roberts, she's got on a YouTube channel actually, I'll link it down below for you. She won and selected, I think she went for one of the perfumes that I showed actually, which I like. So that's been sent to us. So really pleased that she won that. And thank you all if you entered the competition. So that's that haul done. Hope you've enjoyed that one. I really enjoyed going around Home Bargains because I hadn't been for a while. It's been good since sort of my birthday last October. I've sort of given the shops a bit of a wide berth. Maybe because I've not been filming YouTube videos. Anyway, I'm back on it now, and got lots of goodies that obviously I've just shared with you. So please do give me a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. Comment down below because I'll always write back to you, and subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you on my next video. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.